Morning, Sri Sivamoksha from White Mirror Corporate. This is the story about the doe. The doe, which has given a birth a month back. So it hatched two eggs in this well, and it has been incubating this eggs for a long time. After a while, that has been hatched. So now the does are being prepared for frying from this well. The doe had chosen the most secured preventing place to secure the pigeons. So now they are being secured. Great. I was amazing how it is possible. So how it will escape from this kind of dangerous situation and embrace? I believe that the nature had given the knowledge and energy. The nature is preventing. That will give the power. Still, that these pigeons are waiting to be flown. And the dove is taking a great care and effort to protect its birds. What an amazing event is this!